We may send an email on Outlook by mistake to the wrong recipient. The data in emails is often sensitive. In that case, you must recall that email as soon as possible. Don't worry if that happens to you ever. We are here to save you. Just hit subscribe to get ass-saving tips and tricks from us, and don't forget to visit Mahadees.com to get in-depth tutorials about your problems. The link is in the description. Now let's start. Just follow the following easy steps to recall any sent email in Outlook. First, click on the Sent Items folder from the left side menu. Open the email by double-clicking on it that you want to recall. Now, go to File and click on Info. Right-click on Message. Resend and recall and select. Recall this message. Choose the option. Delete unread copies of this message. It will delete the unread copy, or you can select the option below. Delete unread copies and replace them with a new message. It will delete an already sent message and replace it with a new one. Check the box. Tell me if recall succeeds or fails for each recipient. To get an email from Microsoft 365 that email deletion was successful or not. Always remember that there are certain conditions that must be met in order to recall an email. You and the recipient should be on the same platform, i.e., Microsoft 365 or Exchange. The email should be unread by the recipient. You and your recipient must be in the same organization. Remember that your email won't be deleted or replaced if one of the following conditions exists. Any of your recipients is not on Microsoft 365, or any of the recipients are outside the organization, or any of the recipients who have read the email, or the email has been moved to a folder other than Inbox, or if you are using Outlook Web. Thanks for watching the tutorial on Mahadees.com, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe.